Good morning, everybody. Here it is, a beautiful Saturday morning in Michigan. Had to get the windshield replaced on Morris the Taurus, as you should remember if you've been paying attention to my channel, which you probably haven't. You may be new here, and if you're new here, I appreciate you coming and checking me out. Like and follow, you know, stereotypical YouTuber type things. Anyway, so the windshield had no weather stripping around the side, and now it does. Look at that. Yeah. That blue tape is just to hold it on for a couple days while the window glue dries. But yeah, met Chad over at First Choice Auto Glass, and it's close to my house. Gave me a great deal, got me in on a Saturday. Absolutely no complaints, did a great job. In and out in 40 minutes.
I'll tell you what, this thing was done a long time ago.
Yeah.
Do you see how gold, how gold this is up here?
Yeah.
You can tell it's old.
They don't do that color anymore.
Well, it kind of fades and it turns color after so many years.
Okay.
This thing's not bad.
23 years old.
See, I don't look at it like that. I know. I've been doing this way too long.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's hard to believe, really, you know?
Yes, it's only a couple years away from being classic.
Yeah, 25 years, isn't it?
Yeah.
I still have my 68 Camaro Z28 back there.
Oh, nice.
Got it just after high school.
Okay. So you got it when it was still relatively cheap. Look at that patina.